Hi everybody, it's Adam Martin with Simplified Golf. Wanted to touch on the tip of the day from the other day, talking about being able to move the golf ball while eliminating excess hand movement, rolling the wrist to hit a draw or trying to hold it off to hit a fade. That actually can translate into better short game too with the same idea. The only difference is with the short game shots, we're not creating enough speed to move the ball, say left to right or right to left, but setting up the same way, say to hit a fade, we would actually be able to hit a higher trajectory shot, and to hit the same way that we'd set up to hit a draw, we would be able to hit a lower shot. So as I discussed last time, when we're doing this, we want to make sure that the club face is always aimed where we want the ball to end up, and the feet and shoulders are always aimed where we want the ball to start. And by swinging on that foot and shoulder line, we are able to generate the spin that we're looking for. So when we're doing the short game shots, we're going to set up the exact same way, take our grip last, just like we talked about with the full swing. But because we're not generating a big swing like I was talking about, we're not going to generate spin, we're going to generate different trajectory. So one of the things I didn't show in a video was the fact that when we're doing these, if I'm setting up for a fade, my club face is going to be open, my feet open, so I'm swinging on the line of the foot and shoulders. The ball is going to go where the club face is aimed. So I'm realistically, I have a square grip on an open club face. So the club face might look like that. My grip's here, so that by swinging on the line of my foot and shoulders, I make my normal swing, and as it squares up, it's not actually square, it's open to generate the fade. And the same thing with the draw. I would have it closed and then have my grip on it, so that by swinging on the foot and shoulders, make my same swing. When it squares up, it's actually, closed to generate the draw. So I'm going to hit a couple shots here real quick. If I was going to try to hit a higher trajectory shot, I would go ahead and I would set my club face where I want the ball to end up, feet and shoulders where I would want the ball to start. But because we're hitting a shorter shot, we're not necessarily starting the ball there, it's just generating the higher trajectory. So I'm just remembering that I'm taking my grip on that club after I've set the club face up. So now I've got an open face grip on it. So I want club face where I want the ball to end up, feet and shoulders, but I'm actually swinging on this line. But because the club face is aimed at the target, it's going to go up in the air like that. I can take the same club and I can go ahead and set up, say I was going to hit a draw, but I've got the club face aimed where I want the ball to end up, set my feet and shoulders closed if I was going to hit a draw, take the grip, swing on the foot and shoulder line, comes off low. So try that out next time you're out at the chipping green. I know this is kind of a quick video, but I'm out here at Southern Dunes, Auction Southern Dunes here in Maricopa. Got an unbelievable practice facility, as you can see. So make sure you check it out next time you're down here. If you get a chance, I think you'll really enjoy it. But try that out when you're at the chipping green next time. Remember, club face where you want the ball to end up, feet and shoulders, that's the line we're swinging on. Let the club face being aimed at your target be what changes the trajectory. So I hope that works for you, and I will see you next time.